These are Roman timed from 100 BC to 300 AD. Moses wanted to be the tomb of Pope Julius II. He never finished it, he never got paid. What did he say at the end of Moses? Talk. He had a hammer, he banged it into the knees and said, talk. So true, so taken by that he felt it intentional. Most of the church in Rome calls him Peter the Chain. They are taking classical period. I can tell because they were told to draw. He said to the Trojan, look, inside that horse are soldiers. They're trying to invade you. Remember the story? Now you're getting to
prachtige dieren, allemaal in het marmer, Romeinse dieren. Allemaal oude Romeinse dieren.
The dog was a domestic one.
Dat is de dochter van de
Yeah. Every hour the Amerikaner, beware of the dog. The serpent was a symbol of medicine. Toen Apollo from Athens, 100 BC in Rome, there was sculpture found in the Roman public baths of Caracalla, where we found those bed towels. So Michelangelo seen this in that courtyard. This was in that courtyard. The body of this became the ideal of the body of Jesus in the Last Judgment. Remember? Michelangelo ideal this body to be the body of Jesus, which to my ideal, Michelangelo thinks more of God, more than what Jesus was. This interpretation of Jesus in the way around. Oh? Yeah. It's Greek. Look around. In fact, Simonetti, the architect of the 18th century from the Pantheon in Rome. And if you look carefully, those rosettes painted, they look like relief, but they're not. The rosette is flat, but you have to look from the side.
Vayan parándose un poquito más hacia la derecha.
Be a giant now. His strength for force. Couldn't deal with the giant. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, sir. You're not a Roman, seventh generation.
You are a Roman.
Yes.
What kind of intelligence is it? Roman work is
Paul stopped, wrote a letter to the officials. So Adrian was in Ephesus, and Adrian took this from Ephesus for his villa. From the excavation of his villa, they took it and they brought it in. I want to take it to like the church in Rome, a beautiful, beautiful room. The Colosseum, the churches and all those things were taken away and stopped. The building in that.
Look at this wood. It's beautiful.
Colosseum, they took from the Colosseum the stuff to build Rome, to build St. Peter. Stairs. So when he did the ceiling, there was no window. So the problem he had was the light. He had to use a certain type of light, a certain type of lamp. It contains, this was the Pope called about, Pope Leo, the founder of this room. Good boy, nice fountain. That's a fountain, right? This is a fountain. Yeah, there you go, the fountain. And the Medici married the King of France. In the north. South. So you got Sicily upside down. So all these maps is where from here to the end are all upside down.
Para que veáis una de la parte privada.
Esta se viene de la ciudad de Toulouse, que es la parte francesa de Venecia, entonces no hay culturas francesas anteriores respecto a nosotros. Así que desde el punto de vista de historia, la cultura de 1800 es una cultura
Pero yo no sé si eso hay, que realmente algo como alientaba
This is when Rome was burned.
Señores, en la Capilla Sistina.
In fact, the length from the door we enter to the end is 211 meters, which means according to the story, the relics of Peter are down below there. So down below is the Basilica of Constantine, the name. The circus of Nero, where the obelisk used to be. That's mosaic. There are no paintings, except one little painting somewhere in China. All the work on the ceiling, on the sides, is mosaic. You didn't see any skyscrapers. Little loud skyscrapers. There is a gorgeous monument by Bernini.